EndSARS is a failed Biafran movement, says Adamu Gaba, former presidential aspirant in the 2019 general elections. Adamu Gaba on Sunday said the EndSARS movement is now a failed Biafran call for secession supported by gullible Nigerians. He stated this after calling out President Muhammad Buhari over the rising cases of insecurity in the north. Following the kidnap of some school students in Katsina, according to Gaba, EndSARS has been hijacked by haters of Nigeria with the aim of seeking the destruction of the country. When I spoke against the insecurity situation affecting the country and called out the president, some people tried to compare it with EndSARS. Not true. EndSARS is now an official field Biafra movement supported by gullible ones. We know it. Take this from me. EndSARS is hijacked by the haters of Nigeria with the principal mission to hate everything, everyone, except a movement to destroy Nigeria and create an unimaginably failed audio internet country by people who never knew where their village is. Don't fall for it. These guys, less than 1% of the Igbo population, are doing everything to showcase the whole Igbo as supportive of their mission. So loud that you seem to believe them. It's a scam. The 99% real Igbo is good and pan-Nigerians. They have spoiled our EndSARS with hate. The real EndSARS team, me inclusive, have a whole lot of work to do to filter EndSARS away from Biafran guys. Else, we have to accept and leave it as a hijacked movement by Biafran warlord, working against Nigeria and Nigerian citizens as a whole. It is important we get this clear. Note that from now on or onward until the recommendation or recommended deep filtering is done to critically separate EndSARS from Biafran, whatever you do for EndSARS, you are knowingly or unknowingly advancing the movement of Biafra, whose aim is to consume us all, not just the North. Mark this. When I spoke against the insecurity situation affecting the country and called out the president, some people tried to compare it with EndSARS. Not true. EndSARS is now an official field Biafra movement supported by gullible ones. We know it. Thank you for listening to this news. Can you imagine? Well, I'm not surprised that this is coming from Adamu Gaba because it is clear, it is very, very clear that Adamu Gaba is one of those confused Northerners that doesn't know the mission and vision of Biafra. And it's so surprising that even someone that claimed to be a part of the EndSARS protest never took note of those that hijacked the protest and he claimed to be among those agitating with the youth. So bad. So bad, Adamu Gaba. See, let me tell you something, Adamu Gaba. IPOP or Biafra has nothing to do with EndSARS. Do you understand? You people are just getting it wrong. That's why, despite all the petitions that you people took to the UN and the ICC concerning IPOB hijacking the peaceful protest, IPOB engaging in Opibo massacre, IPOB taking part in the brutalization. See, thank God there was a video footage concerning the massacre at the Lekki toll gate. Because if I didn't been there was no video footage, this DJ Switch did not took a snap or a coverage of the incident, and also CNN and did not pick up the video footage of what happened at the toll gate, and also DW as well. Had they been, they did not, they would have put everything on the head of IPOB, that it is IPOB that did the massacre. To God be the glory that everything was done in the open and was reviewed. It was shown clearly that it was the soldiers that did the massacre. If not, at the being there was no video, they would have put it in the head of IPOB and said, "This is IPOB that did the massacre. It's IPOB that shot at the innocent youth." To God be the glory. You see, this God you are seeing has a way of doing things, and He has a way of working, and that is why I appreciate Him so much that He used this EndSARS protest to expose the evil men in Nigeria, and that is how He will keep exposing them. They will never find rest until they bring out the person that ordered the massacre. IPOB was only moved by the massacre and decided to send the members to go out and support in the protest, and believe me, they never touched any soul. Nobody was touched. They never touched anybody. All that Nigerian government are saying concerning IPOB are all fallacy. They are all lies. They are all lies. They are saying all these things because they are being, IPOB has been a threat to them from the beginning. And they are doing this in order to make the international organization to believe what they are saying concerning IPOB, that it is a Boko people group. It's a lie. Can you imagine, my viewers? See, no matter how they try, no matter the measure, the method they apply, they cannot succeed in labeling IPOB with a bad name. It cannot work. Could it work? Yes, now, could it work? You go ask Buhari, he will tell you. What are we saying? It cannot work. So let them be informed. That is why I love what Nnamdi Kanu have just done now. This Eastern Security Network he has just set up will help chase away so many insecurity issues away from the southeast. If care is not taken, even here in the west, let's see how those hoodlums who call themselves herdsmen will invade into any southeast illegally, and let's see if they will not be caught. Or if this protest occurs again and something of this kind happens, let's see if any of the Nigerian security force will misbehave the way they misbehaved during the EndSARS protest, and see if they will not be exposed. Yes, all these things are what Nnamdi Kanu thought of and said, no, something needs to be done. That is it. That is how you know someone that has his people at heart. So, Adamu Garba, you are completely a failure in what you have just said, because IPOB has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with the EndSARS protest. So tell your paymasters to be informed, because no matter how they try, no matter what they say, nothing will happen. So please, my viewers, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.